standing now near the cliffs at Yamba, and how incredible does that water look. Just been watching some young guys. I've been jumping off the cliff here into the water below. I've videoed it. I've got it on drone actually, so that should look pretty specky. The water looks just amazing. Never seen anything like it here. Yamba's a place of such incredible diversity. Main beach with its beautiful rock pool that it has there, the incredible coastal landscapes and cliffs, Turner's Beach, which is a beautiful wide sandy surf beach, and the break wall where the dolphins like swimming along the break wall there and chasing boats actually. And I'm walking along Whiting's Beach, which is on the Clarence River. And the Clarence River provides a beauty all its own as well, provides safe anchorage for boats, which I've put my drone up and we'll be flying over those as well. So it is so amazing. Check out the Clarence River. So Linda and I are out on the break wall at the moment out at Yamba, and this is one of the activities that people enjoy doing here, is coming out and walking along the break wall. It's probably, what, 400 or 500 metres long, I suppose, you think? It's fairly long, but one of the other activities that people enjoy doing is coming out here, yeah, and go and do dolphin spotting, yes, like Linda was showing then. And you wouldn't believe it, while we're standing here, we've probably seen, what, 3 or 4 dolphins? Yes. 3 or 4 dolphins have popped their heads up on the river here. But of course, when you're ready to film, you never see them, do you? So, yeah, there'll be a trawler heading out there tonight to do fishing. And he's probably going to stir up some of the fish in the river as well that the dolphins will like to get. So you never know, we might catch a dolphin on camera. Not catch a dolphin. On camera. On camera. Okay. We'll see how we go tomorrow. down at Yamba main beach at the moment, and they've got the annual ocean swim. And you can see the people in the background behind me, so I'm going to swing the camera around and let's have a look and zoom in a bit and see the competitors as they get ready to go off in the ocean swim. The beach is absolutely packed. You can see some of the competitors in the distance there in green caps, pink caps and blue caps of different age groups, getting ready to head in for a swim. So the competitors are getting ready. First lot are going and entering into the surf. And there go the next lot in. Running in for their ocean swim here in Yamba. I've got a drone in the air, just over in the direction where I'm filming, and it's relaying video footage to the clubhouse.
So here we are at Yamba in New South Wales, having a great time. Really amazing place, lots of different landscapes. There's a drone just above us.
Oh, is it?
Yep, it's right there.
So the drone's filming the classic.
Swimming.
Yeah, the ocean swim. Yeah.
Lots of different landscapes here. So you've got surf, you've got still water, you've got marine views, you've got ocean views, you've got rocks splashing on waves, you've got an ocean pool just next to us here.
See if we can spin around, yeah.
Shops, cafes,
Yeah, we just went to a nice cafe, didn't we? We're going to go back there. Oh, I'm out of the shot now. We're going to go back there.
boutique shopping.
I'll turn off that. I can't. There we go. Yeah, cool. So it's nice, isn't it?
Yeah, it's just so many different versions and beautiful things to see.
Yeah.
That it's certainly got lots of interest.
So the ocean swim, there's some buoys out there that the competitors have to swim out to and swim around the buoy. So the competitors from the Yamba ocean swim are starting to come ashore now. I've just had the guy in the under 40s come in, 2 guys. Here comes another competitor running in. So we've been having a great morning out here in Yamba. We've been down to the pool. We've seen the Yamba annual ocean swim. There would have been thousands of people down there, hey?
Yeah.
And now you can see the lighthouse behind me as well. So we've been doing a lot of walking. See if I can pan up a bit, there we go. We've been doing a lot of walking today. And I think there's so much to see. I used to wonder what's so good about Yamba. Well, now I'm finding out what's so good about Yamba.
Picked a good day too. With
Yeah,
the
we
ocean
did.
swim.
Yeah. And yesterday was a fun day here for the kids as well. So, yeah, I think we'll head on down. We might go back to the rocks and then go and get a drink and lunch.
Yeah.
And then fly the drone some more.
Okay.
Where I'm standing now is at a replica from 1879 of the Yamba Lighthouse, standing high on the hill overlooking Yamba. Let's go and have a closer look. I don't think the rubbish bins were there in 1879. So this lighthouse commemorates the work of Captain Francis Freeburn, who was the first pilot on the Clarence River here. And he was a pilot around about 1870s, and the lighthouse behind me was built in 1955 and commemorates his work. So yeah, a lot of historical significance around Yamba. Certainly a place that we've loved visiting and hope. would a trip to Yamba be complete without going in and paying a visit to the lolly and fudge shop? So
Hello. You must have picked a quiet moment.
Yes.
it wasn't quiet yesterday.
We came in yesterday and I was like,
What time did you come in?
lunchtime?
When did we come in? About 3? So many yummy things. Just checking out some of the boutique shops in Yamba. And there's so many little shops, isn't there? Just went into one that had some great leather stuff. Nathan, you would have loved it. Just walking past some of the shops now.
And nice dress shops and really cute, adorable kids shop. I could have bought lots of things in for the grandkids.
Oh yeah. Yeah, if you had a limitless, unlimited credit card,
Yeah.
you could have bought a lot of stuff
Definitely.
for the grandkids.
Yeah.
Yep. But there's all the dress shops, there's the nice food shops, the cafes, and what else is there? Ice cream.
Lots
And
of ice creams. Yeah.
lots of ice
Fudge.
cream places
Fudge.
and fudge. So you can just see some of
And
these.
homewares.
Oh yeah.
Speaking of which,
Yep. Oh. I think she's gone into a homeware shop. I've just come out of a homeware shop. I've done guy shopping and come out with one parcel. I've seen Linda's in there and she's got an absolute armful, so having some great retail therapy. Just wonder how much she'll wind up buying. Guess I'm going to find out pretty soon. This will be interesting. I can just see Linda's inside paying at the checkout. What's she going to walk out with? Uh-oh, here she comes. How did you go?
take that.
Oh, it's a bit of a bit bigger bag than what I bought, eh? But you came out all smiles, so that's the main thing. So one of the popular things that they have here at the farmers market, or a Wednesday morning here in Yamba, down in one of the car parks down near the beach.
How much money can I spend, Mikey?
How much money can you spend?
How much?
How much money can you spend?
What's in here? Is that okay?
No,
No.
you can't spend lots.
Mm.
What have you seen so far?
Nothing. We just got here.
Oh, nothing. We just got here. Oh, okay.
Oh, flowers.
Flowers.
They look pretty. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Okay, bye.
Oh, I'm losing Linda. I'm losing Linda already. So there's plants, there's flowers, there's food. There's so much here, isn't there? Wow.
Lots of lovely fresh produce.
Yeah.
Homemade produce. And I think they got coffee.
I imagine there would be coffee. Let's find some. You gonna be happy now? Coffee?
Do I have a coffee in my hand yet?
No, you'll have a coffee shortly. So Linda's happy, she's ordered her coffee. So Linda and I are on our way now, going from Yamba around to Evans Head, and we've pulled in at this little village of Maclean, which has a really strong Scottish heritage. I've just popped into the Scottish Heritage Information Centre. Linda's checking into her heritage now. So a wall beside the Clarence River, just showing some of the history of the town and in Maclean. You can really see how the community's been flooded here by the Clarence, which is just on the other side of the wall. And of course there's Scottish heritage. Don't know how I'd go at throwing a pole. because the Clarence River can flood, they have this levee bank that goes around the river. This is a steel one, this part here, that can slide across and connect up here. There's another one on the other side as well, that it'll just slide across. And they have that part open so that it gives access down here to the water for people. So when the river floods, they slide those steel gates across and it closes off the river. Such a beautiful sunset on the Clarence River. This is our last night in Yamba, and the sky's turned on such a beautiful show. Well, that's pretty much it from us here in Yamba. We were just so surprised at how beautiful Yamba is. Between all the different beaches that are within easy walking distance, the coffee shops, the boutique shops Linda's gone into. It has been such a great time. We've had, I think it's been 4 or 5 days here. We've really enjoyed it. And so now we're heading off and we're heading over to Evans Head for another hopefully exciting holiday over there. But we've really enjoyed it here at Yamba. So if you've enjoyed our video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Share it with other people as well as we endeavour to grow our YouTube community. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video.